If you're familiar with a lot of the lights that Zhiyun makes, you'll find that they're great and compact. They've been releasing a lot of different RGB lights over the last couple years, but the X100 series did not have an RGB version until now. So there was a CX100 version, which was kind of their economical version, an X100, which was just bicolor, and now they've released a collab with Mackey, who's known for cinematic epic lighting videos. And this collab is now the Molus X100 RGB edition. Now, it's not just adding RGB color to what is an already pretty solid light. It actually has a lot of different features and accessories that are a little outside of the norm for the X100 series. So anyway, let's take a look at the box here. They sent us the sample, and I really want to show you this light. Love the Zhiyun lights. I'm actually using them to light the studio here. This has come in. I've been super excited. Let's dive in. So what is in the box is always one of the first questions people have. Now, the version we have today is the Pro version, which has a couple more accessories than the standard edition does, and I'll highlight which ones come in that. So anyway, this Pro version comes with a softbox, very handy. Now, this is using the ZY mount, which is their proprietary mini mount. They do also provide you with a ZY mount Bowens adapter. Now, I have a couple of these I bought off Amazon before. Basically allow you to mount the light a lot easier to your C-stands or whatever you have, and additionally allows you to connect a Bowen mount. So I'm actually using full size. I have a parabolic umbrella on my key light, and I'm using actually a lantern for just more environmental ambient lighting on a CX50 on that side. So yeah, really handy if you use Zhiyun lights to pick up one of these, so you can use a lot of your different Bowen mount adapters. This is the main box. I did open it previously just to kind of take a look. The boxes the lights usually come in for the Pro kits are kind of like a gray Zhiyun colored edition. Now, when they collaborated with Mackey, they went with a little more of a stylish approach. It's going with a lot of his aesthetic. You can see his logo and naming on there. It's got a little attachment here, I assume, so you can put your softbox sort of rolled up in there. So nice little Velcro. So that's a nice little feature. It comes with a couple different accessories that isn't usually in the kit. So this Pro Edition comes with a nice Mackey Zhiyun branded battery bank. We have our power cables, USB-C cable. That sticker's kind of funny. Professional lighting must be used under the guidance of professionals. Okay. It's an interesting safety sticker. On the back, the sticker says, glaring light and high temperature exposed at close range will cause a fire. Yeah, a lot of different lights, and it's not necessarily Zhiyun, like Neewer, all the other brands. People have been really worried about lights staying on in their bags with some of these heat warnings. I've actually not found any issues. So that's why a lot of people like detachable batteries too, which the X100, X60, and the X series in general have. So you know you won't accidentally turn on. But just a pro tip, if you do have lights and the batteries are attached, what I suggest you do is actually put the light power to 0. So if it does accidentally turn on, it doesn't actually light anything up in your bag. So it stays nice and cool. But otherwise, detachable battery, not an issue. As far as the design of it, it is a little different than the usual one. You can see it's got kind of a faux leather finish on the sides there. Has a black, brown, what would you call it? Like a hunter green or navy green type coloring scheme to it. The knobs seem pretty nice. It's got a tactile feel to that. Grid's pretty standard fans for a lot of the different Zhiyun lights. It's got that cap here for storage, which I always use. You can see all the different LED points there. There is a quick release button for the battery. On the bottom, we have threading. There's a 1/4 threading screw, so you can attach it 2 stands or whatever you need. There's also a port there for USB-C. You can see there. Pretty standard. If you're familiar with a lot of the different X series, there's a lot of features here that do look familiar. There's a little carry bag. I don't have my X100 beside me, but it does look like it's got a thinner profile than you usually would get out of the X series. Anyway, very compact, nice and lightweight. I really like the feel of it. My favorite thing about some of the Zhiyun lights is just how compact that is. Like, that is very thin. Honestly, it's like the size of a Game Boy. Is that dating me? Finish and quality of the build of this, very good. We do have a couple more accessories. This also comes with a barn door system. It is magnetic. So this attaches to the reflector, which I'll show you in a second. In case this looks familiar, this is actually the exact same barn door system that fits on their compact M20 lights. This is an M20 that I got a couple years ago now. Exact same barn door system. So I have a diffuser, a couple other accessories that work on this. I guess I can use as well on this X100 RGB. Now, barn doors are super helpful if you want to guide where the light will and won't show up. So, you can tuck in some of the barn door system, keep it darker on that one side, really use them to guide the light into a specific area. So pretty handy tool. One of the key accessories to this whole system is this new style reflector, which I don't believe they've put on any other products. So this reflector helps actually boost the light output from the Zhiyun X100 RGB, which is rated as a 100 watt, but this supposedly can boost it to the luminosity of a 300 to 500 watt light, which is really cool. So we'll try that out. Yeah, it's really interesting. So it pretty much helps boost the light there. It will attach on the ZY mount, or ZY, depending where you are. Once you've attached that reflector using the ZY mount, honestly, use the magnetic attachment points. Easily attach your different magnetic accessories. So very compact, super lightweight. You could always screw in a wand or some sort of mount to easily hold that if you want to go handheld. As far as the difference between the different versions, if you're going to buy the light by itself, it comes with the light, reflector, the little carry case, and the power adapter. But if you're going to get the Pro version, comes with the battery bank here, the USB cable, a nice little carry case, and the barn door system, as well as both the bow and mount adapter and this softbox. So a lot of good accessories. I do recommend the combo kit. The accessories are great. I've got the X60. I have the X60 combo kit. Use it all the time. Definitely think the combo kit is worth the additional cost, especially if maybe you're starting out and don't have a ton of lighting accessories. If you do, really, I do suggest at least picking up a bow and adapter so you can use stuff that you might already have. To attach the battery bank, you just need to remove this little rubberized piece on the side there, exposing the attachment point. And there we go. It's good to go. Power button is on the back, recessed, so not easy to just accidentally get turned on. We're going to double press it. They have a safety feature now where you have to also rotate the dial. So nice little safety feature. So we're going to set the dial to English. Click it in. That's at 20%. Holy moly. So there is a shortcut to the Zhiyun lights. If you press it in, it will jump to 50% and to 100. And then if you press it again, it goes back to 0. Wow, that is very bright. They're not kidding. This reflector definitely boosts it. Oh my God. That's pretty cool. So yeah, you can use the different dials here. So one controls moving up and down the menu. The other one controls the values. That is a 100 watt light that I have set up as my key light. There is a parabolic on it, so it won't be as bright as maybe just the reflector by itself, but this feels noticeably brighter with this reflector unit on. I want to show you what it looks like more realistically with a softbox on it. So we're going to use the one that it comes with, the 40D, and pop it on here, see how bright it looks. Now it has one of these internal diffusers as well as the one that goes right on top. So we're just going to attach this. I did try my best to have this fit, but it doesn't feel like this top diffuser sits super well, to be honest. But anyway, without further ado, it is connected. It does use the ZY mount rather than the magnetic mount. Obviously, because the magnetic mount won't be strong enough, it would fall off. All right, so I have this set to RGB mode. So this is now hooked up. It is diffusing it, so I guess it is closer to what it looks like on my softbox. So the reflector is the key to getting that extra output. Now, personally, I don't know if I would be using it as much. It's probably got some great use cases I can't honestly think of right now, but it's nice to know that you can get the reflector to get extra output out of the light. As far as powering this, you have a couple different options. You can use the Zhiyun X100 power bank that you can get with the Pro Kit. You can even buy this separately if you just want to get that, not necessarily the full kit. That will power it for roughly, I believe, a half hour at full power. If you're not using it at full power, it will last longer. You can additionally charge it using, or power it, I should say, with USB-C. So that plugs into just the main device there. You can charge the power bank separately if that appeals to you. But otherwise, something like a V-mount with USB-C out, you could use that to power that if you already got one of that. Or what I do here is actually plug them into the wall. So I just have a power plug with a USB-C cable running into my lights. As far as modes, it does come with your usual expectations of modes. So we can cycle through it. You have RGB mode. You have your FX with all your typical FX features, speeds, brightness, all that fun stuff you want to control if you need some of those standard effects. You also have music mode, which reacts to what it hears. Really cool. I actually had that at my niece's party, and her and her friends enjoyed having a dance party with my lighting effects. Other modes include your CCT, which is standard bicolor options, as well as HSL. So pretty much everything you can expect out of an RGB light, especially if you're used to what Zhiyun lights can do, then it can do it here. Another standard feature of pretty much every light, any quality light these days, is the ability to control it remotely. This is no stranger to remote control through your phone using the ZY Vega app. So if you've used that, works exactly the same. Connect to it wirelessly and control the lights. So for example, if you're in a studio or out in the wild, you have your lights set up. You don't have to get in and out of the scene or manage it by going back and forth. Easily control your lights through your phone. So in summary, I do like the newer design of this X100 RGB version versus the old versions. The collab with Mackey has really added some style points to these lights. The build quality, as usual, from Zhiyun, I really like. I do like the new additions of the tactile feel to the dials, the kind of leather finish and color scheme of this. It just looks very stylish. Do like the added new accessories. So this does work on other ZY mount X series lights. So if you do have some other of the lights, you can share the accessories, which is really handy. The kit itself is really nice. Kind of comes with all the features to really get you going, get started, use this out in the wild. Honestly, there's nothing too negative I can think of. I do suggest using a full blown mount if you're in a home studio, but it is nice to have these mobile accessories if you're out on the go. There's a lot of different accessories that you can actually look up on Zhiyun's website. I do have some other reflectors. I really do like their mini softbox reflector. I actually had this attached to my CX50 when I was using it in the wild. This is a little too small probably for a X100, but nice little handy softbox you can take on the go. I did like this little easy to use format. I wish that this 40 centimeter size one had this little kind of quick expand system, but hey, can't have it all. So if you're looking for a 100-watt light, definitely give this a look-see. Its compactness is amazing. I love the size of these lights. Quality's been great. Haven't had too many issues with all the CX50, X60, X100, X100 RGB that I now have. Great set of lights. Honestly, can't say enough. Now, this was sent to me by Zhiyun, but this is not a sponsored video. It's just a sample for review. Do love their lights, use them all the time. I do use other brands as well, but honestly, the design and compactness of this is what my favorite thing about them is. So if you're looking for a nice compact light, check it out. I'll put links down below if you're interested in checking those out. Otherwise, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.